everybody, it's Viv, and today I am here with Paisley and Melody, and by the time this video goes up, it'll be Christmas. So from the Dolly Delights family, I just want to say Merry Christmas if you are celebrating Christmas like I am, or if you maybe celebrated another holiday, or you're just not celebrating anything around this time of the year. I hope that you're having a great day and whatever holiday that you may have celebrated went well, and you just enjoy this time with your families. So yeah, for today's video, I am going to be unboxing a Secret Santa present that I got in a Canadian AGIG or Secret Santa exchange. I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is the package that I received from my Secret Santa, who I was surprised when I got it because it's actually my very close friend, Nicole, aka Daisies of Manhattan on AGIG, and this was between maybe like 6 or 7 of us within my this Canadian AGIGers group chat that I'm part of, and I did not expect to have Nicole like at all, which is really funny because we were friends before I joined that group chat. So yeah, I want to say thank you to Nicole. I will put her Instagram up on the screen right now and also in the description box down below. Be sure to go check her out. She has great photos and she's super nice. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. I am so excited. I really hope. Ooh. I also sent a Secret Santa package. I won't reveal who I have, but if you follow me on Instagram, I will reveal who I have there once that person receives their package, so that when they upload their video, if they do one for the unboxing, I will show it to you guys there. So yeah, ooh, okay. Okay, I see a lot of things, so I'm just gonna like tear this part open. Looks like some doll clothes and chocolate, yes. This is I love this chocolate. I got this chocolate for my AGIG Secret Santa as well. This Hershey's, like the little ones that you get at Halloween. Love that. Ooh, okay, I see. Okay. So here's the card that I got. Joyeux Noël, Merry Christmas, love Nicole, Daisies of Manhattan, and all her dolls. She has a lot more dolls than I do, so they're all there. So let's see.
Dear Viv, Merry Christmas, girl. I'm so glad I got you for the Secret Santa because I can show you how appreciative I am of our friendship. Since we started talking and became AGIG friends, it's been so great. I haven't ever had many super close AGIG friends that have lasted this long, so I'm glad you and I started talking. Oh, I'm so glad that we started talking as well. I mean, since I actually didn't have that many I didn't have any AGI friends besides like one other person besides when I started talking to Nicole. So this is pretty cool actually that we felt the same way about each other. I love that me and oh wait, hold up. I love that we can talk about non-doll stuff too, like how stressful grade 12 is. Yes, very stressful. Uni applications and cute boys and adventures. I hope that I end up going to school in Ontario so that we can go on doll adventures together to Montreal and New York. I really hope that too. Nicole wants to go to school in Ontario, though she doesn't live in Ontario. She lives in Calgary, but I live in Ontario, so hopefully that happens. I'm so sorry some of these clothes aren't the best. I'm still learning and I was pressed for time. The pajama pants pattern I'm still testing out, so the fit is a little off. That's alright. I hope you have a great Christmas, New Year, and winter break, and that you don't have much homework. That's a lie, I actually do have a lot of homework. I'm sure those uni applications will come rolling in because you're awesome. You got this, girl. Merry Christmas, Joyeux Noël, love, Nicole. Oh my god.
Thank you so much, Nicole. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love this so much. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing that we have here are some candies. So we have some Smarties and Hershey's. I'm gonna assume these are for me. And then we also have some little doll-sized Tic Tac containers, which are so cute. These, like, I don't really like Tic Tacs, I'm gonna be completely real with you, but I'm gonna start eating them now so that I can use these containers for my dolls. These are so cute. I hope the glare from my light isn't too much for the thing here. I'll do the beauty guru thing. Wow, and I've got 4 different colors. These are so cute. So the next item that we have here are these really cute pajama pants. So I guess this is the pattern that she's testing out. These look like they'll fit to me, maybe just a little low rise because of the crotch, but these are really cute. And Nicole does have an Etsy store, which I will link in the description box down below as well. Her stuff is really nice. This is my first time getting stuff from her though, but I've seen it, we talk about it all the time. Her stuff is so nice. And it also has these really cute little tags that have her shop name on them, Daisy AG Designs. I love them. These are so cute. Fabric is so cute. Oh, and another pair as well for my other doll. I have 2 dolls, so I guess we'll change it. So this pair is like this orange, it's kind of red, orange, like Carlisle print pajama pant. Love these. And the next item that we have here are these Our Generation Stars and Stripes sneakers. I love doll sneakers. This is like the best gift ever. I'm so excited. Let's open these.
Do I have a scissor? I do have a razor. I don't need scissors. I actually don't own any our generation stuff either, so this is pretty cool.
Oh my goodness, I love these. These are literally adorable, and they're really nice quality too. We've got a little tongue, little Americana, things like that. This reminds me of Gucci, so I like that. Yeah, I love these. These are so cute. Thank you so much, Nicole. And then we have more doll clothes, which I'm so excited for. So we have this gray sweater, and the material for this is so soft. Like, it feels like a real sweater. These really cute jeans. These are kind of, I think once I put these on, they'll be a little boot cut. So yeah, these are adorable. I think they'll look great with this sweater, actually. Like, a little cuffed up. Ooh, they're black on the inside. That's cool. My jeans usually aren't like that. So yeah, a little, like, cuff them up. That'd be super cute. And they have butt pockets, which is fun. And then also this little t-shirt. Nicole showed me this when she was making it, so I'm pretty jazzed to have this because I think it's so cute. I love the color combination. This will look great on my dolls. And finally, we have these really adorable blue gingham like paper bag pants with a really cute waist tie, and there's like waist loops? No, there are belt loops on the pants as well. They don't have pockets in the back, but they are so cute. I love these. They're gonna be perfect for summer, and I think I'm gonna try to style them for winter as well. I think that'll be really fun. So yeah, I am so in love with all the pieces that I got. So I went ahead and I dressed Paisley and Melody in 2 of the pieces that Nicole sent me. I don't want to make this video too long, so I won't do all the pieces, but these are my 2 favorite pieces that I got, or actually 3. So Melody, you can see, is wearing that gray sweater. The fit of the neckline was a bit long, so I just kind of like tucked it into the back of her pants to make it fit the way I wanted to, and I rolled up the sleeves a little bit. Super cute, and again, I love the fabric. Then Paisley is wearing, I'm gonna fix the lighting real quick. Paisley is wearing those amazing jeans. Ooh, there we go. These jeans are so cute. The way the stitching is, it's like super realistic, and I love them. The fit is great. You can see that I also cuffed them, and there are those glorious Our Generation sneakers. These are actually such nice quality, and they are so easy to get on as well. So I love them, and I'll definitely be styling my dolls in these in future photo shoots. So anyways, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other American Girl doll videos, such as sewing tutorials, hairstyle videos, outfit videos, and more. And a special thanks goes out to my friend Nicole as well for sending me this present. I'm really thankful, and I will put her Instagram and her channel linked in the description box down below. So yeah, again, Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!